My name is Amanda. Guys, so today I'm going to do a spring makeup, new makeup with spring. I bought a lot of new makeup. Obviously, it's a new year and I wanted to experiment because we're in the world of TikTok. There's a lot of makeup TikTok is showing that you should experiment with. So I wanted to experiment to give you guys a look, but this look's gonna be super fresh and cute. I'm going to do a spring look and I'm gonna use pastel, everything pastel. Let's get started. I already primed my lid. I use P. Louise base 5 and base 3. So for the eyes, I'm going to use this new palette. This palette is from the Beauty Bay. It's called Beauty Bay Pastel. This is my first time using Beauty Bay eyeshadow palette. I've purchased from them, but never used their eyeshadow palette. Let's get started. First, I'm going to do this orange. I'm just gonna tap it in. If you're going to do pastel color, make sure you put a lot of coat for your base to make sure the shadow is stick to the base. Really going in tapping motion and the eyeshadow is still patchy. By the way, guys, let me know how your spring going so far. I know the world is chaotic, but I haven't talked to you guys in a while. Let me know what's new, what you guys up to. Did you forget about me? And then I'm going with this green shade around it. Honestly, I only paid $7 for the eyeshadow, so I shouldn't be that mad. But at the same time, it's like, it's still my money. I'm going to go with this pastel. I'm gonna go with this pastel color in the end, because I literally just want all the spring vibe. If you guys don't know, spring and summer are literally my favorite season because I do have seasonal depression. So like around fall, like when the times get dark early, I be stressed. But like as soon as springtime is, girl, I am motivated. I'm like, let's go, let's go, let's go. That's literally my motto because I have like seasonal depression and stuff. So like, but I flourish around spring and summer. That's like where I flourish the most in my life, or even in creativity. Because fall, like it's Halloween. I'm not that creative. I mean, I can serve looks, but I don't think I'm a Halloween serving looks vibe because I'm not that creative. I wish though, but I think I could do it if I spend more time learning. And then winter, it's cold and I'm just indoor. So spring and summer is where I flourish. Shadow is giving very much dead, but I'm going to create a graphic liner. Maybe that will help hiding the imperfection. I'm gonna focus. Okay guys, I finished the eyes. As you can see, this is what I'm giving. So the eyeshadow palette do work. I would recommend if you use a base, make sure the base is not too dry when you're patting on the eyeshadow, because with this eyes I experiment different. I make sure my base was still wet on my eyes before I start patting it, and it's not as patchy as this eyes. But it's only $7 in the world of, there's no point of buying something to make it work, to be honest with you, because there's so much brand out there. There's no need to waste your money trying to make something work. Just get what you need. But I know pastel are hard to come by when it comes to brand. Pastel are like hard eyeshadow to make, good pastel, so I understand. I color correct, LA girl, I still color correct. And then I have a new foundation, and that would be the NARS Ready and Creamy, because I tried the NARS Soft Matte Foundation. I love it, and I feel like why not try the NARS Ready and Creamy Foundation, because I already have the Sheer Glow Foundation. So I just want to have a collection. I know NARS, she screamed money. She's giving money. The girls are broke. I'm not. I'm joking. But yes, that's what she's giving. So I already tried this foundation last weekend, but I tried it on nighttime. I went out to eat, so I didn't actually follow through with it. So I'm gonna try it for a second time today, right now. So lately I've been spraying my face with the Charlotte Tilbury flower setting spray where I blend out my foundation. It gives you a natural finish. I love it. And I do my foundation section by section, and then I get on top of my forehead because I feel like it gives me time to blend it out really good. I know you might think this look a little bit too dark for me, but you have to remember it's summer. I'm going to get darker than my winter shade. A lot of people don't believe black women get darker during summer. They think we just have one set color, but we don't. And I'm gonna go with my sponge over the foundation because I want this airbrush finish, and the sun, like the sponge, after you blending with a brush, give you that finish. Chef kiss. So I got new concealer also. I've been loving the Grwm cosmetic concealer. I know I'm late in the bandwagon, but I'm here. For contour, I've been missing these new contour combo. This foundation from Wet n Wild, it's too dark, and this foundation stick from ColourPop, which is too light. So I mix them a little bit because sometimes I feel like my other contour stick, they give me, it's too harsh on the skin, and I'm trying to my contour to be more like skin. You know, I'm a new woman. So I do my contour with this higher cheek points. I don't do it too down because I want to lift up my face. Been enjoying brighter under eyes. I look so good with them, but I don't put that much. I literally put it under my eyes, like brighter. Sometimes I put it right here, you know, just to do a cohesive vibe. And then my nose. Selena Gomez liquid blush is the best thing out here. I love it. This is my second color, and I'm using the color Grace. This is brand new. A little bit goes a long way. Before I set, I now set my contour before I set my under eyes. And I've been using the Hoola bronzer in Toasted. I know this bronzer came out since 2019, but I don't know, is it because spring is around? It's been giving my skin this warmness that I live for. Because since I already contour, I don't need to set with another darker powder. So I just need a bronzer to like give myself some warmness. And this Hoola bronzer does that for me. I got this bronzer when I used to work at Sephora. So for powder, I've been using the Laura Mercier Honey Powder. It's been given. I love it. I used to do this thing where I put a powder that's close to my skin, and then I put another powder that's lighter on top. I'm not doing that today because I'm just going straight with it to give me the brightness that I need. Okay, I'm gonna add white in my waterline to make the eyeshadow pop. You know the vibe. I spray my face with the Charlotte Tilbury before I put my blush, my matte blush. Cream blush, you don't even need to do that because this blush is the truth. It will still show up on your skin. Like, especially if you're black woman and dark skinned black woman, this will do the trick. You see how pigmented this is? And this new lip liner from Morphe, it's called Trendsetter. It's giving, it was only it was $1.50 when I bought it because they had like, Morphe been having a lot of sale. Are they going out of business? So this lipstick is new. I've worn it before. It's by Juvia's Place, their matte lipstick, and Vogue. That's the name of the lipstick. Oh, it looks so good on my complexion. I've been using this Juvia's Place lip gloss, and the name, it's Glass. That's the name of the lip gloss. It's a clear lip gloss. As you can see, I've worn it multiple times, so it's not clear anymore, but their lip gloss is bomb. So guys, I am back. This is the finished look. Guys, let me know what you think. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share this video. I post every Wednesdays and Sundays, fashion and beauty content related. If you like me, subscribe, and if you're interested in fashion and beauty, this is the perfect channel for you. I hope you guys enjoy this look. The lashes aren't new. I got them from the beauty supply, but we move. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this look. And if you have any product that you want me to try out, don't hesitate to let me know, because I'm always looking out to try new thing. Okay, and don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel. I upload every Wednesdays and Sundays, and I upload fashion and beauty content related everything. So if you like fashion, if you love fashion and you love beauty, this is the perfect channel for you. And I will see you guys on my next video. Peace out. And once again, happy spring, and we're gonna make a lot of memory on this channel.